USDJPY live markets. So let's start the analysis. Before that, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and then press the bell notification. And below my video, you will find some links. The first link says join free Telegram channel. So if you want some free signals every now and then, make sure you are connected with my Telegram channel. So go and join it. And then you can check out these links like brokers and everything in your free time. So I'll leave this link for you. Check them out when you're free. But join my Telegram, subscribe and like, and let's come here and start the weekly analysis. So in the weekly, I think previous lows were touched and broken. Now we have a red candle pushing down for this week. So weekly, I do not have a clear picture. So I'll go back to Delhi. In Delhi, we had a red candle yesterday, which had eaten the previous blue candle, and the red candle new low is created, or the previous low was eaten. So then we are taking a pullback. Now look at this low here. Now this could be an uptrend if you can identify early. Okay, both scenarios possible. This could be the continuation of the downtrend, or this could be an uptrend. This could be a pullback only. So all the possibilities are there, because this low, you see, this low is not broken by this candle. Okay, so this could be an uptrend, pullback, uptrend again, but time will tell. So we need more confirmation. So we're still not sure. I mean, even though weekly time frame is down, daily time frame is down, and even 4-hour time frame is down. Okay, but in 4-hour we have something interesting. We have double bottom. So this low was at 142.024 and this low was at 142.047. Okay, so this low did not break this low. So this is a double bottom. Now what does it mean? It means it could be a trend reversal. It can, the price can easily go up. Okay, but all the higher time frames, including 4-hour, is still down, showing us sell opportunities. Okay, but we do have double bottom right now when I'm recording the video, and this is this is at the end of the 29th April US market. Okay, so we do have double bottom in 4-hour in USDJPY, which means by definition it should go up. But when should you enter buy? In 4-hour. Okay, so in 4-hour, you should only enter buy when the blue candle closes above the EMA, eating all these red candles. Okay, if that does not happen, then don't look for any buys. Okay, so in 4-hour, only enter buy if next blue candle or further blue candles, they close above the EMA and eat the previous trend. Okay, but this is a double bottom. More likely the price will go up. More confirmation, let's go to 2 hours. In 2 hours, what do we have? In 2 hours, we have the same double bottom. Okay, so this low 142.047. So this low did not break the previous low. So this is a double bottom again, and this looks like a trend. Okay, two possibilities. This could be a pullback, then continuation of the downtrend, or because we have a double bottom, this can break the EMA. Okay, so keep an eye in 2 hours. In 2 hours, when the blue candle will break the EMA. Okay, again, hear me out. Entry signal 2 hours. Okay, in 2 hours, if the blue candles will break the EMA and eat all the red candles, then you can enter buy, or you can wait for the pullback and then go buy. So bottom line is, in 4-hour, in 2-hour, we have double bottom. Double bottom means trend reversal. And if you want custom video analysis, you can check out the links below. Or if you like what you see, subscribe and like, join my free Telegram channel, and I'll see you in my next analysis video. Till then, keep watching my videos, because I don't know what can help you. So make sure you check out these links, and I'll see you in my next analysis. Till then, good night. It's good night here.